Let us now start with second question. Earlier was related to stability of carbonium ion, and now this is related to carbanion, negatively charged carbon. Again, stability, order, there can be options. I have decided to write in this fashion, directly go for the answer, but this is a MCQ asked for a very important exam, and this makes a base. Now, the basic thing is, more the decentralized charge, whether it is a positive charge on cation or negative charge on anion, carbanion, more the decentralized, more is the stability. Less the decentralized, less the stability, the basic reason. Now, if we compare these three, and there can be options, order 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, any. What you feel, which one is most stable or what is the order? This part is common in all the three. This part is common. Here it is carbanion, heterolytic breaking has produced negatively charged carbon electron pair, negative charged carbon. This part is common, carbanion, carbanion, carbanion. Now, here in this case, this methoxy group alkoxy group has what it does, it has tendency of plus R effect, positive resonance effect, means because of the lone pair. Now, since we have studied resonance separately, I need not explain it entirely, just I will have to mention it, and now the lone pair will become a shared pair and the pi electrons will get transmitted and all the various resonating forms. This methoxy group also shows positive inductive effect, but resonance effect, which increases the electron density in the ring, developing positive charge on oxygen, it is called as plus R effect. Positive resonance effect is dominating effect as compared to inductive effect. Therefore, we will focus on resonance effect. Because of this resonance effect, means this lone pair will become a shared pair. The moment it becomes a shared pair, I can show it in HEST. One lone pair becomes a shared pair, and then pi bond, suppose that pi bond here will get shifted here, and then this shifts here, this will go here, various resonating forms. Now, I need not explain and write entire resonance. The only idea or the thing, the core thing which should come in our mind is that this alkoxy group, methoxy group increases the electron density in the ring because of positive resonance effect and also because of plus I effect, and therefore, electron density on this carbanion will increase further because of this group. Groups or atoms attached to the negatively charged carbon, or in this case the aromatic ring which is attached to carbon, if they withdraw the electron density, pull the electron density away from the ring, away from the negatively charged carbon, it will stabilize the carbanion, and if they increase the electron density, then they will destabilize. That way, this alkoxy group, as compared to if it were not present, if this were hydrogen, as compared to that, this methoxy group will increase the electron density in the ring towards the carbanion, and therefore, it will to certain extent destabilize the carbanion. Now, once this is known, Let us compare this. Now, this part is common. Nitro group has a very strong minus I effect, and also nitro group, if you write properly the structure as we know it, we have already considered. Nitro group has electron withdrawing effect, and nitro group shows electron withdrawing effect minus I effect, nitro group minus R effect, negative resonance effect. The electron density, this electron density can get shifted here, this will get shifted here, this gets shifted here, this goes to oxygen. Now, the various stages in resonating forms, those which we have already considered, so I should not repeat here. We are considering MCQs in different form. These are MCQs, just I have not written the multiple choices. So, nitro group, not only because of negative inductive effect, but because of electron pulling effect, resonance minus R effect, pulls the negative charge towards itself, means it decentralizes the negative charge on carbanion, and that will stabilize this carbanion. And this one. So, let this be considered as center part, example point of view. As compared to this, this is less stable because of electron releasing effect of methoxy group, resonance and inductive. And as compared to this example, nitro group is present at para position, electron withdrawing effect, minus I effect as well as minus R effect. So, this will be more stable than this carbanion, benzyl carbanion, that one, and this one will be less stable, and therefore, the order will be, the answer will be, this one will be more stable because decentralized electron density, electron negative charge, the electron pair will get decentralized. Then number of this, because this one is less stable, this increases the electron density. So, it one will be last option. So, among the options, multiple choice, this will be the correct, this is the correct order of stability of carb anions in this case.